Seniors. As we age, our body goes through major changes. Slower metabolism, weaker muscles, and reduced energy. But here's the truth most people don't realize. One simple nutrient can slow down aging, protect your muscles, and even help you feel 20 years younger. That nutrient is protein. After the age of 60, your body's ability to build and maintain muscle starts to decline rapidly, a condition known as sarcopenia. You may notice your arms and legs getting thinner, your grip becoming weaker, or simple tasks like climbing stairs or standing up feeling harder. This doesn't happen overnight. It's the result of years of low protein intake and muscle breakdown. But the good news is it's completely reversible. With the right protein-rich diet, you can rebuild strength, improve balance, and boost your overall vitality. Why protein is so important after 60. Protein is made up of amino acids, the building blocks your body needs to repair tissues, create hormones, and support immunity. When you don't get enough protein, your body starts breaking down muscle to survive, leading to fatigue, slower recovery, and even higher risk of falls and fractures. A healthy senior should aim for 1.0 to 1.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight daily. That means if you weigh 70 kilos, you need around 70-85 grams of protein each day. Best protein sources for seniors. Let's talk about the foods that help you get strong again. Eggs. One of the best and easiest sources of high-quality protein. Eat 1 or 2 boiled eggs daily. Fish, salmon, tuna, or sardines are rich in protein and omega-3 fats that protect your heart. Lean meat or chicken. Excellent for muscle repair. Choose grilled or boiled options, not fried. Greek yogurt. High in protein and calcium, great for bones and digestion. Lentils, beans, and chickpeas. For vegetarians, these are excellent plant-based protein sources that also provide fiber. And nuts and seeds, almonds, chia seeds, and walnuts are protein-packed snacks that support brain health too. When to eat protein. Distribute your protein intake throughout the day, not all at once. Have some in the morning, like eggs or yogurt. Include it in lunch, chicken, fish, or lentils, and add a small portion at dinner. Evening protein helps your muscles recover while you sleep. Benefits you'll notice in just a few weeks. Stronger muscles and better balance. More energy throughout the day. Or faster recovery after activity or exercise. Improved focus and mental clarity. A reduced risk of bone fractures. A healthier skin, hair, and nails. A final message. If you're over 60, don't think it's too late to build strength again. Your body still has an incredible ability to heal. It just needs the right fuel. So starting today, make protein a part of every meal. Because the secret to aging gracefully isn't in pills or powders. It's in the power of real, nourishing foods.